Hello everyone, my name is Manan and this is my first video on YouTube. In this video, I am going to showcase a very short project which I made for MLH 2022. It's written in Python and it's a to-do list project. So as you can see here, this is the main.py file and underneath there is a tasks.txt file. This file is important as it enables the autosave feature in this very short program. So first we have imported the modules required. The modules required here are the system module and the path module. The system module is to clear the screen in the command line, and the path module is for checking if this file exists. Because the first time that you run this program, this file will probably not exist. Okay, so first there's a very simple initialization of a tasks list which is set to empty. Now, here we are going to check that if this file exists. If tasks.txt exists, then we are going to load whatever data is in it, and save it in tasks. If it doesn't, then this won't run, and we'll just skip this part. Now there's an infinity loop, which the first thing it does is it clears the screen, and the next thing that it does is prints to do. To do means after this starts the list, and this simple for loop iterates over the tasks list and prints out all the tasks one by one. Alright, now this new t is the input that we are going to wait for, and this loop will only run when we get a new input. Otherwise it will just keep waiting for an input even if it never comes. If we get it, then it will update accordingly, and then it will run again, print all the tasks in the list, and then wait for the next input. Alright, so there are some reserved words for the input. The first word is exit. If we type exit, then it will simply save whatever tasks we have in this list into tasks.txt, and this is actually what enables the autosave feature. If we do not exit, then it will not save. The next thing is new t. Next thing is clear. Clear is another command. This is clear command allows you to empty whatever tasks you already have. Another word, reserved word, is done. Now done does not work alone. If you're using done, then you must also must be followed by a number. Then whatever number is followed by it, it will mark that task as done. And another reserved word is remove. Remove is similar to done, and whatever number comes after remove, that task will be removed from the list. So let's see how this works. Let's run this. Okay. So let's run it without these ones so that you can see how it will work in the very beginning. Right, so we now have an empty to-do list. If I say make a to-do project, so it's going to add it, and as you can see, it has added a small dash after the task. This dash signifies that this task is not yet done. Let's add a few more tasks. As there are dashes everywhere means that all of these tasks are not yet done. So let's first mark the make a to do project task. Let's mark it complete as we have already done it. So done one. As you can see, it converted to a tick mark. Tick mark means that this task is now done. Let's try removing a task. Remove, let's not sleep on time and remove the third task. Remove 3. It has removed the task. Another thing that we can use is clear. We can use clear to clear all these current tasks and empty out the list. Now let's fill this up with some fake tasks like A, G, or etc. These are just some random tasks. And now let's exit. Now if we run this program once again, it once again runs from the last list of tasks that we had. So that was the to-do list project for MLS 2022. I hope you like it, and I'm going to leave the links to my GitHub uh, down here and to the dev post. Thank you for watching.